don't flinch at the cracks in my voice when I speak like a stranger to myself. You don't ask me to name all the noise, just sit with me till it settles. You saw the weight behind my smile before I learned how to let it fall. Didn't need me to walk the extra mile, just held my hand through the wall. You love me not in spite of the dark, right inside it, hand in mine. You don't need me to be someone else to call this heart of mine. When the words won't come and the light feels thin, you don't rush me to pretend. You trace the lines where the hurt's been, and stay till the silence ends. You love me not in spite of the dark, but right inside it, hand in mine. You don't need me to be someone else to call this heart of mine. I used to think I had to earn the grace of being seen and still held close, but you showed me love's not a prize to chase, it's just showing up and staying whole. Inside